Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals Wheelchair Vehicle Specialists. This is a Toyota Hiace Hiace. It is a well cab with a factory-built wheelchair hoist in the rear. The push of a button, the lift slides out and beyond the perimeter of the vehicle. The rear guard lowers and the 4 cables are unlocked and taken off the wheelchair. Then the wheelchair is free to exit the hoist. When alighting onto the hoist, close the rear guard. You can lift the hoist to waist level. From here you can connect the 4 hooks, so the 2 in the rear, 1 on the left front and the 1 on the right front. You can do all this without having to bend over too far. There are 2 seat belts, a lap sash and a shoulder sash. The hooks on the platform are locked with a switch. Once the lap sash and the shoulder sash are on, you can continue to raise the platform. Then it slides into the vehicle. It is important to make sure the car floor is clear and clean. When the sliding door opens, a step lowers automatically. Now the seat behind the driver, seats 3, can be used or folded forward to access the second wheelchair space. Each wheelchair space has 4 cable hooks which operate the same way as the platform does. Each space has its own lap sash and switches to operate the cables. The 3 seats that are in the front of the wheelchair can be lifted up, or it can easily be removed from the car to be able to use the 2 front wheelchair spaces easier. To view photos and more information on this car, visit www.icsar.com.au or call 02 1181 1884.